Hey everyone, today we're here at the Mississippi Farmers Market where vendors and customers from all over the state come to find the freshest produce possible. So let's take a look inside. Now, when visiting your local Mississippi Farmers Market, don't discredit if your produce doesn't look exactly like you might see in your grocery store. Our Mississippi farmers work hard to produce a high-quality produce for you, and sometimes in the field, it just grows naturally. Okra is one of the staples at any local farmer's market. Now, you may be used to eating it fried or even pickled, but don't forget the healthier ways that you can enjoy this Mississippi staple. Soups, stews, maybe even sautés. I bet Rob will have a unique way to use your Mississippi okra, so stay tuned. Of course, you can buy fresh fruits and vegetables for consumption at your local farmer's market, but don't forget about all the other pieces to your recipe, like fresh herbs and spices, from chives to basil, and even different varieties. When you use fresh spices, like the ones found at your local farmer's market, in your recipes, you're reducing the salt and making your meals heart-healthy and fit to eat. Don't forget, when you're visiting your local farmer's market, you can get fresh fruits too. Not to mention, many of your farmers take the things that they grow and put it in cans just for you. You have everything from jams, jellies, and more, to even vegetable peppers. You can spice up your meals all year long. In an earlier episode, you learned how you could buy into a community-supported agriculture, CSA, like Two Dog Farms. Now, when you come to your local farmers market and pick up your CSA, you can also pick up other things. Everything you need to create a hearty salad or even a festive pizza topping, like greens of all kinds, mushrooms in all different shapes, sizes, and varieties, and even peppers to spice things up. There's so much at your local farmers market. Get in here and get shopping. So whether you visit your local farmer's market in the spring, summer, or fall, you're gonna find an abundance of fresh and seasonal vegetables. Take summertime, for example. You're gonna find ample amounts of zucchini or squash. It's easier to want to eat healthy when you make the connection with the farmers who are hard at work bringing those healthy foods to you. You can only do that when you visit your local farmer's market. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's head to the kitchen.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.